3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? It's Eva here
and Maddy.
Before we get started,
click the subscribe button.
Notification.
And huge thumbs up.
And don't forget to click that bell button.
The what button?
Bell.
Oh, the bell button, yeah.
So
Don't forget that.
Today we're going to be fixing this big juicy slime. And
Fixing it? What's wrong with it?
We're going to be adding more beads.
Oh, it just doesn't have enough beads, guys.
No. It has 100 beads so far. Here, first, guys. Guys, can you see me? Guys, Maddy, pop the bubble, pop the bubble. Darn it. That's a bummer one. How does it feel?
It feels kind of sticky.
No, it feels sticky. So, guys, keep eating. So, how does it feel? Maddy, what's this YouTube channel gonna call it? No,
What do you want your YouTube channel to be called?
No, what do you think is
What
best?
do you want it to be called?
What do you think do I? No, what will this video be called?
What do you want your channel name?
I don't know. What do you think is the best name?
You come up with it.
You
It's gonna
come
be your channel.
Just come up with one best name that I
What
think.
if I were to create a channel for you?
Yes. What would it be?
What would you want your channel name to be?
So you create my own channel?
I'm not saying that I will make the videos public, but I'm saying I could create a channel for you.
But I want you to post them on YouTube.
What do you want your name to be? Your channel name?
I don't know.
Like Adventures with Eva?
Yeah.
Or
Slime Queen.
Slime Queen? Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Slime Queen.
But I am the Slime Queen. This is satisfying. Switch. I need this. Can we switch, please? Fixing a big Pokemon slime.
Fixing the big Pokemon slime, guys.
No.
What is Pokemon?
I forgot. Luca is the
You're the one that says it the most.
He mixed it up. Can we switch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe this needs some beads.
What do you think?
Well, it doesn't have very much crunch, you know.
She said, I'm a little kitty. I'm a little kitty.
You're a little kid?
Guys, look how stretchy. Let's see who's just stretchier before it breaks. Mine's still going and it's so sticky.
I love this one because it's so poppy.
I love this one because it's so purpley. And this one.
This one used to be a pretty purple color, but
No, it actually used to be a really, really pretty white color before we added all of them.
it was clear. It was like a clear slime.
It's like a clear.
And then we added the beads.
Guys, guess how many pounds this is?
Should I tell them?
No.
Or should you?
Okay, so guys, comment down below right now. Okay, so most people are saying 20. It's 3 pounds. 3.
3 pounds of slime.
Guys, do you want to see something that me and Mrs. Long made? Oh. So Henry's the zebra. Henry is a zebra that lives in the zoo. Henry's best friend is Elephant. Elephant lives by the zoo. By the zoo. Dog visits Henry every day. Henry is climbing on the rope.
Ooh.
Because, I'll get it right, because he's trying to get to the gift shop.
Why is he going to the gift shop?
Because it's Elephant's birthday.
So why the gift shop?
Because it's Elephant's birthday.
What is he getting at the gift shop?
We're gonna do that yet. I'm doing it with Mrs. Mom, not you.
Sorry.
I can't help you. Guys, guess what Lisa always says? Sorry, I can't help you.
Sorry, I can't help you.
He's so funny. And I hate it when he says that to me. And I'm like, oh. And when he wants me to help him, he says, sorry, I can't help you. I said, sorry, I can't help you. And that would be so funny.
And that's why we treat people the way we want to be treated, not the way that they treat us necessarily.
So Luca wants to be treated. Sorry, I can't help you. I think I have hair in my mouth.
Ew. Where? I don't see it. Do you want to go wash your hands and get it out?
Some.
I don't see it. Oh, I do see it, but... Hold on, don't move.
Fine situation.
I don't know if I got it or not. What?
It's right here.
Okay, go wash your hands and then
No.
I can't find it. I had it at one point, but then you stuck your tongue back in your mouth. This is gonna make for an interesting video. You can see it? Go wash your hands. That's Eva for just a minute.
I don't know. Ew, now it's making this stickier. I hate this. It's so sticky.
Do you want to try it again?
No. Maddie, could these make it now stickier?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try it.
I think it's probably good that it's sticky when you're putting beads in because that means it'll hold the beads inside.
How do you know? Because Jillian told you.
Because Jillian told me.
Hey, everyone.
Jillian Bauer is her new favorite YouTuber. And we both watched Jillian Bauer. And because of the mess we were making, we needed to go clean ourselves up. So this is the end of the video. We will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.